Play that funky music, white boy. Hey, white boy, play that funky music. Say it, white boy, play that funky music, white boy.
The underbrush was thick and visibility was poor. I moved slowly, trying to make as little noise as possible. After a few minutes, I found the source of the sound. Feeling uneasy, I returned to the campsite. But the memories never faded. The sound stopped as soon as I turned on the lights, spinning lazily as if it couldn't find north.
It's Indian yellow and a touch of permanent red. Right there. Enough to set them off a little bit so you can see them. There. Now then, let's...
What are you doing, Chloe? Chloe! Girl. Chloe. Chloe, come here. Chloe.
What am I getting?
Use the toilet paper.
It's hopefully fine. It's hopefully
Do it. Do it. Plug it up. Plug it up.
Where's the audio guy? There's gonna be no fancy lighting. There's gonna be no editing. I'm pissed off. And I'm just bamboozled. I'm baffled. I am shaken at my core. And my landlord's like, I'm on it, girl. What the fuck? And I was like, I know. My landlord, let's call him Jerry.